Hey curl friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be using the Main Choice Heavenly Halo collection, and y'all, I'm so excited to use this line. I've just been looking at it and I'm like, oh my gosh, I really want to try this. And y'all, it's now available in Sally's, also available at themainchoice.com, so make sure you all go check that out. So I'm going to start off with the pre-poo, and I'm just sectioning my hair off into 4 sections, and I'm gently massaging this into my hair. And you do this for 5 minutes, and then you just let it sit, and then you start to detangle, and then let that sit for 15 minutes. So the pre-poo is a process, but it helps detangle your hair. It also helps to soften the hair, reduce moisture loss, restores hydration levels in dry, thirsty hair, helps to minimize breakage and shedding, and restores natural luster and shine. So you all know I had to try this out. You're gently detangling your hair. You're just going to wash that out, and then I'm starting with the shampoo. I absolutely love the shampoo. It cleansed my hair without stripping it. My hair still felt very hydrated afterwards, and that's something I really look for in shampoos. I hate shampoos that dry your hair out, and this shampoo was amazing. You all can see my hair still looked good after the shampoo. Now, after shampooing, I'm going to be taking the soy milk deep hydration mask, and I'm going to be applying this, and this is what it looks like. It's really creamy, and I really like that. It felt so moisturizing as I was applying it to my hair. This mask deeply penetrates to intensely hydrate. It restores hydration levels in dry, thirsty hair. It leaves your hair feeling soft and tangle free. It also helps to minimize shedding and breaking, and this is one thing I look for in a mask. Like, I love this mask. My hair felt so moisturized, you all. So as you all know, I just twist my hair up, and then I put on a plastic cap. Then you apply heat and wait for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then you can go ahead and rinse that deep conditioner out. And once I rinsed my deep conditioner out, you all, my hair was looking so good. I was like, okay, it felt so soft, and I was just loving it. And I have to say, this whole collection, you all, smells amazing. Like, it smells so good. Now that I've rinsed out the mask, I'm going to be using the softened milk, and this helps to support natural hair growth and retention, and that's what all of these products do. So if you're trying to grow your hair out, you want to make sure you try out these products, and I really love this. It was so moisturizing. You can use it on a daily basis if you would like. It's gentle enough to use, and it's for all hair types, so I really like this. So for this, I'm doing a rod set, and I'm just going to make sure my hair is fully detangled, because you do not want your hair to get frizzy at all when doing a rod set. After making sure your hair is detangled, you just want to pick up one of your rods, and today I will be using the orange and the tan ones. When doing a rod set, it's extremely important to make sure the ends of your hair are wrapped, and you can wrap your hair around those so that they do not stick out and get frizzy. So basically, you just wrap it around, and you go all the way up, and make sure you connect it into the little snap hole that you can see on the side. Once you're done with your first section, you can go ahead and move on to your next one. You don't want to make the sections too big because you want your hair to dry. I sat with these in my hair overnight, and then I also blow dried my hair for about 20 minutes, not that long, and my hair turned out dry. But as you can see, I'm just doing the same exact steps over and over again. It's not that hard. It gets pretty easy after you've done it a while, and then I'm just going to continue to do this process all over my head. I'm also going to be making a cute little style out of this rod set. So for the front of my hair, I'm just going to put 2 braids. Very simple, and if for some reason you can't braid, you can always do twists. So either way, this style will be very cute. So I'm just going to braid this all the way down, and then I'm going to take an orange rod and just wrap that braid around it, and I'm going to do that one more time right behind this braid, and it's just going to create a really cute style when I take this down tomorrow. And you all know me, I love braids with styles. Like, it's so cute. So after I'm finished with that, I'm just going to go ahead and finish up the rest of my rod. Okay, so I am finally finished with my rod set and my braids, and I have to say this did take about an hour. I have a lot of hair though, so now I'm going to take my Main Choice bonnet. It's so cute, you guys. I said before, I slept with these in overnight, and now I'm going to be taking the serum oil mist, and I'm going to be spraying this onto my hands. Make sure I mix that in really well, because we don't want to create any frizz when taking these rod set down, and that's where you can go wrong when you don't use oil. So now you can see I'm just unraveling this, and y'all look at that bounce. Like, yes, softening milk is amazing, you guys, because y'all can see I only use one product for this rod set, and my curls are looking amazing. They are so shiny, they are so bouncy. My hair feels soft and moisturized. Like, I am really loving this. So now I'm just going to continue to remove all these rods, and then once I've done that, I'm going to start to separate. For separating, you want to make sure your hands have plenty of oil on them. So basically for separating, you just separate your curls about 4 or 5 times, twist it around your finger so it does not cause frizz. And then for my braids, I'm just going to be pinning those up. And then after I separate and pin my braids up, I'm just going to pick out my hair with my wide tooth comb because I need some more volume, you guys. My hair was so small and I caused a little frizz when doing this, but some frizz is good frizz and I was loving this frizz. Y'all look how bouncy my curls are. I literally fell in love with this collection, so make sure you all go to your local Sally's and pick it up. You don't want to miss out. And you can also go to themainchoice.com like I said before. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you guys later.